Hello, hello, my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and happy Thursday. Today is my update on my Sophie's Universe blanket, and excuse me. And I wanted to come on and share with you what I've gotten done so far. It's from this book right here, and I'm doing this along with Sarah from 1Hook2Hands. Her and I are both working on this together and giving everyone updates on our progress. I'm getting so close to the end, guys. I just finished round 101 and there are 113 rounds. So I only have 12 rounds to go, but y'all, it is looking so pretty. And I've got it laid out on the bed in one of the spare bedrooms. So let's go over there now and see what it looks like. Okay, everyone, we're back here in the bedroom. I have the Sophie's Universe blanket spread out on the bed. Y'all, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. And I have put it on the diagonal so you can see the corners, because if I laid it square on the blanket, you couldn't see the corners and see what it all really looks like. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and look at this. I'm so proud of this. Look at this blanket. Isn't that beautiful? And what I love is this section right here with the detail of the butterflies in there. How pretty is that? See if I can come over here. And there, you can see it better on this dark that's underneath it. But there's the butterfly pattern in that blue. Another row of flowers. And so, yeah, I am so in love with this blanket. I think it is beautiful. This blanket, or this bed rather, is a full-size bed. And you can see the size of this on this full-size bed, how it overhangs. But I think this is the bed that I am going to display this blanket on. So I just think it's beautiful. So let's go back over. I'm going to go back over to my laptop and tell you a few more things that are coming up. All right, guys, isn't that a gorgeous blanket? I absolutely love it. And not this year, but maybe sometime next year, because I've got projects lined up to get ready for the holidays, for the fair, our county fair, and different things. So maybe sometime next year, if I can do this again, I want to make another one, but I want to make it in pastel colors. This one was really bright and colorful, but I love pastels, and I'd love to see what it looks like in pastel colors. So maybe next year I can tackle that one. We shall see. But I absolutely love this blanket. It is so pretty. So today was Sophie's Universe. Stay tuned tomorrow, and I will be sharing with you the progress on my Duck dishcloths. I have a lot to catch up on because I've missed about 3 weeks of showing you guys my dishcloths. So I will give you an update on all the ones that I've finished up to this point, and we'll see what the next dishcloth will be for next week. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.